In this video, I'll guide you through how to block Facebook and Instagram on Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you need to open Google Chrome browser and search for an extension called Block Site. Now open the first one. Click on Add to Chrome, then add extension. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to add the extension on your browser. Now open Facebook and Instagram. Click on extension icon and select Block Site. Now you need to accept their terms and conditions and click on Block this site and refresh this page. Now you need to do the same for Facebook. Click on extension, select Block Site and click Block this site and refresh this page. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily block Facebook and Instagram on Google Chrome.